if you can hear me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're at Dairy Queen. Let's get some ice cream. I call it D Queen.
What kind of ice cream are you gonna get?
I call it D Queen.
D Queen. That's a D and a Q. Hey guys, we're out at the park right now.
We're gonna go racing. All the way here, all the way.
What are we gonna race, Johnny?
There, all the way there.
And what do you have?
About my scooter.
What do you have?
Scooter, my skateboard.
What does Mommy have?
Rollerblades.
Rollerblades. We have a race. Okay
You
guys.
gotta go right in the middle of these to win.
Hey guys.
You gotta go right in the middle of these to win. Whoever passes this first wins. If you go on the sides, you gotta start all the way over.
Mommy versus Johnny B. Ready, Johnny? Get in your position.
Fire versus water.
Water.
Fire.
Fire. Okay.
Ah, you got water.
Awesome. Ready? Here we go. On your mark.
Wait, guys. You have to go all the way over there before we race.
Okay.
Wait, I'll just show you. I'm gonna ride all the way in the step. One of my feet onto the skateboard. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go to the starting line before we race. Let's race over there. I'll be fast. Come on, move me over. Fast. Fire.
On your mark.
We're gonna see there's two tiny shoes.
Yeah. Way down there. Get set.
Wait, I need to get in my position.
Go. Johnny B, the nature kid. First place. You guys out for a rollerblade? I'm being chased by somebody. I don't know who's chasing me. It's Jonathan. Ah!
Well, you're fires. I'm sorry guys if I'm shaking. Listen, wait, careful. Vlogging. Alright kids, we're gonna do rollerball. Half rollerblade, half ball. That's why you call rollerball. Oh, she's way over there. She comes, she bashes it. Couple times, she misses it. She shoots, she misses, she goes again.